Something's out to get my letters.
This way.
You can't hide in the potatoes forever.
Hey, who said that? The potatoes!
Oh, sorry.
Hey!
Aha! He's going into the lighthouse. We're coming for you.
Spirits, they're coming for us.
And our produce.
Alpha!
Hilda!
Jump! I've got you.
Garda Gustav, Assistant Deputy of Safety Patrol, is at your service.
Hey, that's great.
You may return to your business. I have the situation under control.
Deputy Gerda, what are you planning to do with that lighthouse?
Take it back to Safety Patrol headquarters, conduct a thorough investigation, and then determine the appropriate course of action.